everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add background music in Canva. So first you have to open your design. After that go and click on the audio tab. Here you will find the list of songs that you can use for free. If you have Canva Pro then you can use the premium ones, but if you don't have it just go and click on music free and you can use these audio tracks for free. So you just have to select the song, drag it and drop into the timeline. Now since it is a background music, so we just have to decrease the volume so it plays softly in the background. So adjust the volume and once it's done, click on the play button to preview it at once, and if you find everything's perfect then go and click on the share button at the top right side. Hit on the download button so you can share it anywhere, and that's it. You have just added background music to your Canva video. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.